Okay, this is our card. And then on the reverse side, it shows you exactly what I'm supposed to have in the box. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. I have my iPad here so I can read what exactly I have. So if I'm looking down on my iPad. So to show you the products and how it came, nicely packed. I'm going to spill it. Very nice. Now let's take out this one. This looks like it's the St. Lux. It is the Soul Body because it's locked. Hold on 1 second. Oh, it was a little safety lock that was on it. Okay, let's try this again. And it's, I don't know if you can see that. Wheel. It does have a light scent. A really light scent. So I'm going to put the protection cap back on it. Put it in the box. That was the St. Lux Body Shimmer Oil. And this is from the same brand. This is called a Liquid Glow. Let's see what this is. It says Liquid Glow. It comes like this. It's by the same brand. Liquid Glow. I could have this shaking things. Let me see if I can find this. It's called the St. Lux. This says Cream Glow. And it comes in rose gold, gold, or champagne. This concentrated cream glow is the perfect addition to your beauty routine. This is cream, but this doesn't say it. Let's see. It can be used as a base for your foundation, mixed in with your foundation, or even by itself to give you a glowing look. Okay. Comes with a, like this. This looks like a, reminds me of a lipstick. Okay. It says a cream glow is the perfect addition to your body beauty routine. I don't know about this, and if I would even try it. But this is the St. Lux Cream Glow. And I'm thinking it is in gold. Yes, it's in gold. And another product from this line. I'm struggling here. There we go. There we go. This is the blush. This St. Lux blush. Let's see what it says about that. It says Cranberry Bliss blush. Sorry. This beautiful pigmented blush is essential for your makeup kit. Its lightweight formula is very pigmented yet buildable. The elegant compact includes a mirror that's perfect for travel and touch-ups. This full-size product is $18, and this is a full-size product. I'm sorry, you guys. The St. Lux Cream Glow was $24. And this is a Cranberry. Yeah, Cranberry Bliss. Let's see what this looks like. And that is very pretty. Can y'all see? And I'm going to do this swatch here. Now I have oil on this one. And if y'all can see, let's put it on my nipples. And I'm blending it in there. And it blends really well, and it's velvety. The texture is very smooth and velvety. So I like that. Have something to play around with. And the next item that I got was a lip kit from Basic Beauty. It's gel liner lip gloss. So let's see what this says about that. Here it is. Okay, this is a Basic Beauty iced coffee lip kit. Running late to a meeting? This gel lip liner and gloss is our fave shortcut for getting ready on the go. The non-sticky moisturizing formula is all sorts of amazing. Full size product of this is $25, 3.2, and this is a full size product, so this will cost $25. Cosmetics, it's a loose eyeshadow pigment, and it just says assorted colors, eyes, face, and body. Apply using an eyeshadow brush using a patted motion. A little bit no brushing here, so let's see what this is about. And it is sealed. Handy dandy kitchen scissors. So this packaging looks. Like it's Gabriel Beauty. Okay, it does have a mirror. And it has a safety seal. Oops. This says LUXE. It says lip balm, babe. Oh, this is the lip treatment balm. I was wondering. what this was. This is the lip treatment balm. The lip balm that doubles as a lip mask. It moisturizes and brightens and is anti-aging. Formula contains strawberry extract, European sweet cherry extracts, avocado oil, and shea butter. I was wondering, I was like, this could not be a loose eyeshadow. It's a lip treatment balm. I like the packaging. Now this should be the one thing with the packaging, it does not really say what the product is. So, okay, this does say loose pigment. I guess if I read carefully, I would know what this stuff is. Now this is the loose pigment. It's this little thing like that. This is the loose pigment. Tight little box. Oh, okay. So, looks like it wasn't closed all the way. So, let's see. This top is the shaker top on it. And this is something I probably will not be using, so this I probably would give away. And this is the loose eyeshadow. And guys, I think that is all it. And the loose eyeshadow is $11. And yes, that's all that was in my box. I got the lip balm, the loose pigment, I got the blush, I got the liquid glow, then I got the Shimmer body oil, and I have the lip gloss and the lip pencil. And that was in my beauty box for spring. If you're interested in this box, I'll put all the information down below. Until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye.